Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn creating patterns. How we are going to create patterns? Most of the patterns are using loop statements to iterate itself more and more. So let's simply we see a simple basic pattern over here. See the pattern programming, first row it is called 1, it is going to be printing. The next it is going to be printing 2 in twice, and 3 is 3, and 4 is 4, and 5 is 5 times it is going to be printing. So it is a presentation, it is a missing something like one item is one more 5. Yeah, so this way. So let's see how we can achieve this by doing coding. So I'm adding here like new Python file called pattern program. So let's see, we have to prepare the same pattern as what we see in the presentation. So I require like a row variable. I'm taking like a 6 rows I want to print. So initiating, for this I am using like a loop statement. For num in range method I'm using here, and simply later you will know what is like a loop statement, how it will works. Okay, it's not row, it's a row. Yeah, hit enter. Inside I'm adding one more loop which is called for I in a range of like number, num, again it is terminated. So now I'm going to printing something here. It is the num value, how much it is, and end with empty space. So now it is completed the code here, and on for what I'm writing here like a print of every line to be taking a space line here. So save it. Now run the program very quickly. Wow, very shortly we are getting 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5 till 5. So see, by writing these 4 lines of code, like 1 2 3 4 5 lines of code you are getting. So if you want to making more rows, means you just change this number into some big number, just run it, you will get till 10, big it will go. So this way you try to practice more patterns. Instead of using this, you can also apply for stars, pyramids, and many things you can create yourself like these patterns. I hope this lecture is very helpful. Anyhow, you are going to learn very detailed steps about for loop statements. Thank you.